Hey Hector, smile. I'm gonna get a picture. It's a video, you idiot.
Hey, can you guys sit? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay.
My dog ate a wild mushroom, and we just spent $140 for the vet to tell us she's high.